candle made in the Vatican City. This place is huge. That ceiling is so tall.
'Cause every time you tell me I look good and bad, I'm moving fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Good morning. It's day 2 in a row.
Good morning.
Anyway, we're currently eating our breakfast. I got the high protein mousse chocolato flavor.
And then mine's even higher protein, 35. It's like a milkshake.
Is it good?
It's kind of nasty, but
Mine's delicious. Anyway, so today's plan. John, take it away.
today going to the Vatican museums. So we're gonna go like very, very soon because it's like really busy. It's like hectic over there.
It's hectic?
It's hectic. We gotta figure things out, you know? So we'll get there, probably spend like 3 to 4 hours there. And then come back here and then we can do our, last minute shopping. Eat any desserts that, one sec. She wants to go to Brandy Melville somehow.
It's from Italy. I have to. This is the origin country.
Really?
Yes, girl.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Brandy Melville sounds super American. And it's Jean Paul Gaultier, that's French.
Jean Paul Gaultier, that's French.
I don't know, man.
How's this brand Italian?
Look it up. It's Italian.
Whoa, okay. Alright, I bet. You know what? Fine. Valid.
Anyway, I'm trying to really rush because I want to go get a cappuccino because this is low-key might be our last cappuccino of the trip. Okay? So, let me finish my breakfast and then we're gonna go. Yum.
I got chocolate. She got pistachio.
So yum.
Should I just bite it?
Oh. That's delicious. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. OG. At 9:30?
Now is 9 o'clock. After that is 9 o'clock. Okay?
On the left there? Okay, grazie.
rounded ceilings.
found my ring. Right there.
Dude, it's literally the same.
History repeats itself.
Dude, look at the ceiling. The ceiling's crazy. Our little midday snack. Got a little pasta salad, cappuccino, and then John's trying this barley coffee, so we'll see what it tastes like. It smells good. It's hot. There's so many people. There are so many people. It's giving goodbye Italy, hello Vatican City. They just can't handle me in the Vatican City.
Who can?
They just can't. Yeah, all these people. They just can't handle it. Oh my. This place is huge. That ceiling is so tall. We just wrote a little postcard home because when I was little, we used to do that. We would like write postcards wherever we traveled back home to our house, just like write about what we did. So we sent it to my parents. This is so interesting. I've never had this before. Should I just go for it? Maybe I'll just grab like one of the leaves. Cheers. The inside is the best part.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you don't eat the leaves.
Don't eat it, why not?
I don't know. This is really good. Okay.
Wait, it's delicious.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have more of the leaves.
Because like, usually when you eat artichoke, you don't eat the leaf because it's like fibrous. Dude, that looks fire.
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna fall apart, but here we go. Yo, the tomato sauce is so good.
I want some.
You can have some.
My pasta, ajojo, or aioio. A good simple pasta. Garlic, olive oil, kind of like buttered noodles. Yeah. We also got grilled vegetables. I'm gonna try a little zucchini. Panna cotta. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Ready?
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh my god. Okay, you
Oh,
try it. And
Oh, it's
emotes.
like kind of solid.
You like it?
Strawberry is a little overwhelming, but the texture is amazing.
Girl, let me try this. I've been raving about this, and guess what? I've never had one in my entire life. It just looks so good. Oh my god. Wait, okay. Did I take a photo of it yet? I did. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's really good. It's like a pudding. Like, look.
Better than the freaking tiramisus.
Literally. Like, at least it's solid, you know? Guys, we got gelato. I got mango. John got lemon.
Limone.
Okay, try it. Good?
Oh my god.
Oh, like, really good?
This might be the best one.
Girl.
Oh my god. It's like perfectly sour.
Wait, okay, can give me some, give me some, give me some. Girl.
It's kind of creamy. So I like that too.
Oh, that's good. Ooh, like my mouth's puckering a little bit. Ooh. Okay, I got mango. This one's different mango. The color's a little different. The other one was like a very rich, dark mango.
This one looks good.
It's still delicious.
Is it better than the other one? Is it like less creamy?
It's less creamy. I wonder how many times we got gelato. I'm gonna say,
So we were getting it in France.
I'm gonna say we got it 10 times.
Oh my god.
Like, how many times do you think we got gelato?
Don't matter, this one's the best.
Guys, we're off to dinner.
But it's our last dinner in Europe.
So, we gotta lock in and we gotta, what's it called? Rally. Yeah. Guys, it's just hitting me that it's literally our last day in Europe. We've been here for 3 weeks and I feel like time went by so fast. Even though we were like dying for half of it. More than half of it, actually. The allergies killed me the entire time, low-key. But, oh my god, these plates are so cute. Yeah. Just had an amazing trip so far. What do you think, John?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I feel like we did so much, right?
Yeah, we did a lot. We did a lot of shopping. We did a lot of sightseeing.
Very diverse range of things that we did.
Yes. I can't wait to come back here. I'm already plotting for the next time. Definitely want to go back to Paris, like, ASAP. Because I'm also gonna miss these beautiful streets. Look how gorge. I mean, yeah, look. Like, everywhere you look, it's just a masterpiece. An architectural masterpiece. There's just masterpieces everywhere. Okay guys, a little update. We just walked by the line for the place that we're gonna go to dinner tonight, and dude, the line was like at least 50 people long. I'm not even over exaggerating, right? It was like 50 people.
Probably, yeah.
Like,
longest line I've seen.
yeah. And then we were like, okay, we're not standing in line. All in all, in conclusion, therefore.
There's a cat in the window. Can you show the cat?
Okay, fine. There's the cat that John wanted to tell you guys about. Anyway, so we're gonna try to find a new restaurant, so stay tuned. Like, look at this. This is crazy. Ain't no way I'm standing in that line. Oh, I like this.
Baked lamb chops. Maybe I had a bad part, overcooked there. Let's try the main part. Flavor is good. Not bad. It's not amazing. I've had better, but not bad.
I got the oxtail in like a tomato sauce. Never had this before. It tastes like pho,
Really?
like star anise, but in a tomato sauce. It's like bum ryu and pho had a baby, and it's like a stew or like tikka. Not bum ryu. What am I talking? Tikka. He literally just tried it without me.
Okay.
Okay, wait. That might be the best one we've had in Rome so far. It's not bad, but it's giving supermercado.
Yeah. It's too sweet.
Yeah, it's like not rich enough. Yeah, it's not bad though. Good morning.
Good morning.
Anyway, good morning. It's our last day in Europe. Sad. We're getting coffee now. Our last due cappuccini in Italiano. Yay! We're going to the same coffee shop that we went to yesterday because it was very solid and they had really good pastries too. And on the plus side, it's like right around the corner. Cappuccino. Crunchy layers with ricotta cheese inside. It's not my flavor profile, but it's maybe a little too crunchy. You like it?
Tastes like a lemon poppy muffin. I don't like the crunchy though.
Yeah.
It's like sharp. It's good though.
I thought it was gonna be like more flaky than crunchy.
But
Like a croissant, yeah. But it's not bad. We're in the taxi, going to the airport. Going home, finally. There's so many people. This airport is mega busy.
Hi guys, super quick outro. I didn't get a chance to debrief or recap the entire Europe trip, but honestly, I feel like you guys could tell I had like the most amazing time. It was so fun. All the memories I will cherish forever, and I'm so excited to come back. Like, I'm already thinking about when I want to come back. But anyway, thank you guys so freaking much for watching and joining us on our little Europe trip. I hope to see you guys next week when we're back in the USA. Love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye!